Good morning, children. We shall continue with biodegradable wastes and non-biodegradable wastes. As you know that the wastes which can be easily broken or decomposed by microorganisms into simpler substances are known as biodegradable wastes, and the waste which cannot be decomposed by microorganisms are known as non-biodegradable wastes. So by now it is clear which things we can categorize, which things are biodegradable and which things are non-biodegradable. Now you see here, today we are going to learn about this disposal and managing of wastes. How can we dispose them safely and manage the wastes? Okay, now you see here, after identifying the type of waste, whether it is biodegradable or whether it is non-biodegradable, it is important to dispose it in a safe manner. Now where we are going to throw them, okay? Biodegradable waste should be thrown in green dustbins. You see here, two dustbins are given here. One is for biodegradable, that is green dustbin, and one is blue dustbin, that is non-biodegradable waste. So we are going to throw the biodegradable wastes in the green dustbin and the non-biodegradable wastes in the blue dustbin. Okay? They can be taken by the garbage man to separate dumping grounds for safe disposal. That this one, suppose this biodegradable waste, they should be taken to some other place, dumping ground, and non-biodegradable waste, they should be dumped separately so that they don't mix up with each other. Okay, now you see, time to revise. We are going to do here true and false. 5 are there, we are going to do this. Unclean drinking water may cause typhoid. True. Unclean drinking water causes typhoid. Unhygienic food may cause typhoid. This is also true, as unhygienic food causes typhoid. Okay. Number 3, you see, non-biodegradable waste cannot be decomposed by microorganisms. Yeah, this is also true, that non-biodegradable waste cannot be decomposed by microorganisms. They cannot be decomposed. Eggshells are biodegradable. Yes, it's true. Eggshells are biodegradable. Number 5, you see, biodegradable waste should be thrown in blue dustbins. This is false. Biodegradable waste should be thrown in green dustbins. Okay. Now you see here, children, managing waste. How can we manage waste? The best way to manage waste, these wastes, is reduce, reuse and recycle. The 3 R's I am going to teach you in my next class, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Besides being very effective in managing non-biodegradable waste, it is also useful in managing biodegradable waste. So both the wastes, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable, can be managed properly if we manage wastes properly. Because this both comes in the same category, wastes. Then we can categorize them. Right? So children, please go through this disposal and managing of wastes. Okay? Thank you.